Day 2 of the Alliance Duel is the most challenging day for free-to-play players in Dark War Survival due to the limited tasks available. Therefore, it's essential to plan effectively to reach your goals. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. Today's video will provide a strategic plan to help you earn over 2 million points on Day 2 and how to get more orange fragments. Tasks. Exclusive equipment is a newly introduced item and may not be available on all servers. If you haven't seen it, please be patient while waiting for updates. Consuming exclusive equipment fragments will earn you points in the Day 2 duel. However, these fragments can only be obtained through purchases. We will not include them in our planning, as we aim to complete the duel without buying bundles. Prime recruit tickets and fragments are the only task to earn over 2 million points. As a low spender, we must stick to a tight budget on Day 2 due to the limited tickets and fragments. Our first tip is to save as many fragments and prime recruit tickets as possible and avoid spending them on other days. Although the recruit button is tempting, we shouldn't recruit or level up the star level other than Day 2. Even though fragment tasks are repeated on Day 5, we do not recommend consuming them then, as there are plenty of other ways to earn points on that day. We should focus on saving the fragments for Day 2. Day 2 planning. We can analyze the points in the spreadsheet to determine how many points we will earn and how many items we need. For instance, we currently have 192 prime recruit tickets, 84 orange fragments, 1086 purple fragments, 150 blue fragments, and some specific hero fragments. If we use all of these items, we could accumulate over 2,800,000 points. However, it's not advisable to spend all items at once. Instead, we should reserve some for next week's duel. We can reduce our inventory to 190 prime recruit tickets, 80 orange fragments, 500 purple fragments, and 150 blue fragments. This will yield 2,044,610 points, allowing us to complete the Day 2 goal without issues. If you don't have enough items to score over 2 million points, skipping the day or aiming for a lower score is recommended. It's essential to save the items for next week's duel. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Fragments. We will list some of the ways to get the orange fragment. First, we can get 1 orange fragment from VIP 8 daily freebies. However, we must activate the VIP pass to get it. Second, we can get 1 orange fragment daily from the Attack of Titan event. Make sure to complete the goal by rallying boomers every day. Third, loot the purple or orange trucks that carry the orange fragment. Refresh the loots to find more trucks. Next, we can get some orange fragments from the shop, such as VIP, Capital, Alliance, Arena, Combat, Trial, Black Gold, and Season. Meanwhile, the Muta Beast Hunt events provide many orange fragments. For instance, we get 24 orange fragments at the Crazy One challenge. Make sure to complete this event to earn all the rewards. Furthermore, we can get 2 orange fragments from every Alliance Duel day. Lastly, the Goodie Bazaar event allow us to get some orange hero fragments by exchanging them with rubies. We always spend 15,000 rubies in exchange for 150 goodie tokens and use them to get up to 15 fragments. So, make sure to save 15,000 rubies for this event to come. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.